Welcome to the walkthrough tutorial on how to log in and navigate the Right to Work Check dashboard. In this video, we will guide you through the process of registration, logging in, and setting up your account to add and manage candidates or your current employees effectively. The Right to Work Check is essential for ensuring your employees have the legal right to work in the UK. It is required for all new hires before joining as well as current employees for compliance with UK immigration laws and to meet the Home Office guidelines. Conducting these checks helps you avoid penalties and maintain a legally compliant workforce. First, navigate to the Right to Work Check website. On the home page, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login or registration page. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address and password to log in. If not, click the Register button. Full name. Enter your full name in the provided field. Input your business email address. Password. Create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Sign Up to create your account. After signing up, a verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Copy the code from the email and paste it into the verification field on the website. Click Verify to complete the verification process. After verification, you'll be redirected to the Profile Setup page. Business name. Enter your business name. For example, Work Permit Cloud Limited. The system will automatically retrieve details such as address and city from the company's house database. Provide your business phone number. Choose your business type from the drop-down menu. If your business type isn't listed, select Other Service Activities. Fill in your personal details and specify your designation. For example, I'll be inputting as a manager. Click Update to save your profile information. Your account is now created. Once logged in, the dashboard will show that no plans are currently active. To add candidates or current employees, you need an active plan. Click Add Candidate, which will prompt you to select and purchase a plan. You can choose the plan that best suits your requirements, and then proceed to payment. If you have received a promotional email or communication from WPC offering a 2-week trial with 6 free Right to Work checks, you don't need to buy a plan immediately. Instead, simply complete your registration and wait for 24 working hours. During this time, we will activate your free plan. After 24 working hours, log back into your dashboard, and you will see the 6 free Right to Work checks automatically added to your account. Once you have an active plan, you can start adding candidates or current employees. Click Add Candidate to access the candidate information page. Enter the candidate's details, such as candidate name. Enter the job position, such as chef. The system will suggest relevant job codes. Candidate email. Provide the candidate's email address. Specify whether the candidate is full-time or part-time based on their working hours. Enter the candidate's contact number. Working hours. Input the number of hours the candidate will work per week based on their contract. Click Save Details to create the candidate profile. A confirmation message will let you know the candidate was added successfully. After you add a candidate, they'll be asked to select their immigration status from the list. This helps determine the right to work check path, certified or non-certified, based on DIATF rules. Those with British or Irish passports go through a certified digital journey. Others, like e-visa or asylum holders, follow a manual, document-based process. The candidate chooses their path, and the system guides them through it. The process ensures every candidate is verified according to government standards, with all records securely stored for audit and compliance. Now, let's return to the employer dashboard to see how you can track application status, view candidate details, and access all submitted documents. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, if you click Applications, you can see all the list of applications and their status. Each application will display details such as the candidate's name, job position, creation date. Once the candidate completes the right to work check, the status will update to either positive or negative. Once the candidate has completed and submitted the right to work check, you can view the application for more details. The Candidate Profile tab displays their personal information, including name, phone number, and address. The Right to Work Status section provides a summary of the candidate's verification process. It displays their right to work status, which can be positive, negative, or conditional, along with details such as added by and a unique reference number for tracking and job position. It also records evidence presented, listing documents like a passport, visa, or biometric residence permit. Activity and timeline. The Activity and Timeline section logs key timestamps throughout the verification process, helping employers track progress and ensure compliance. It records when the application was created, marking the initiation of the right to work check. It also logs when the right to work check was performed, indicating the date and time of document verification. Finally, it captures the result confirmation, which shows when the employer and candidate received the final positive or negative right to work status. These timestamps help employers monitor the candidate's journey and provide a clear audit trail for compliance purposes. Candidate Documents. The Candidate Documents section securely stores all documents submitted during the right to work check. This includes identification documents such as front and back of biometric residence permits, passport, certificate of sponsorship, and any additional supporting evidence required for verification. Employers also receive a verification document, summarizing all right to work check details for the candidate, ensuring easy reference and compliance tracking. All documents are stored securely in the system for your records, ensuring compliance with Home Office requirements while maintaining a clear and verifiable employment history for their workforce. That's how you register, set up your profile, add candidates or current employees, and manage applications on the Right to Work Check dashboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it helps you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Have a great day!